So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, if you have Microsoft Office open, then you want to close it. If you have Microsoft Word, Excel, or anything along those lines open, you want to close it. So imagine that this says Microsoft Office. I'm going to click on it and then click on End Task. So again, you want to close anything that says Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, etc. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Program Files. And then click on Common Files. And then Microsoft Shared. And now Office Software Protection Platform. You should be having a file here called OSPPSVC. You want to right click on it. And then click on Show More Options. And then click on Rename. At the end, you want to type in .exe. And then click on Enter. And then continue. It should now be saying ospppsvc.exe. This should now fix your problem. You can now run Office 2010 and then the problem should be fixed. Or if you're trying to run the installer, that should work for you as well.